In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone on Calendly. This is a straightforward process, and we're going to walk through it together step by step. This will ensure that your meetings and appointments align correctly with your local time. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which you'll usually find at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your Calendly account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Imagine this login process as your key to unlocking all the personalized settings within Calendly, including the one we're about to modify. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Calendly homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage your events and meetings. From here, direct your attention to the top menu and select the Profile option. Clicking on Profile will lead you to your personal settings. This area is crucial for customizing your Calendly experience, ensuring everything from your contact details to time settings is just right. Once you're in the Profile section, look for Account Settings. Clicking on this will grant you access to a variety of options related to your account preferences. Here, you can adjust different settings to better cater to your needs, ensuring that your calendar is not only efficient, but also convenient. Next, you'll want to locate the time zone setting within the account settings. It's important to pay attention here because this setting ensures that all your scheduled events sync perfectly with your actual local time. Select the time zone that corresponds to your current location from the drop-down list. This synchronization is vital, especially if you frequently organize meetings with participants from various time zones. After you've selected your correct time zone, make sure to save your changes. Most platforms will have an option to save or confirm your selection, and Calendly is no different. Double-checking this step will ensure that the adjustments are applied and that your calendar reflects the right time zone moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed your time zone on Calendly. By following these steps, you're ensuring that both you and your invitees have a seamless scheduling experience. It might seem like a small detail, but having the correct time zone set can prevent misunderstandings and misaligned schedules, especially if you're working across different regions. If you have any questions or require further assistance, Calendly offers extensive support resources, or you can leave a comment below and we'll try to help out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling!